So here's how to download or get the Dark Queen of Mortholme on PC. You can also play it on Linux and Mac. First, let's open the browser, Firefox, and let's go to itch.io, which is an official platform for games, very similar to Steam, but it's mainly for indie game developers. So in the search bar, let's search for the Dark Queen of Mortholme. It should pop up here, which is a game by Mosu. Now scroll down until you see download, and let's click on download. And here it will ask you to pay what you want to support the developer, which is optional, but you should be supporting the developer if you can and if you want to. You can simply choose what you want to donate to the developer to support him and type your email here and proceed to pay with PayPal or card. Now, if you do not have money and you can't pay, you can simply click no thanks, just take me to download, and then you can select which version you want to download. For example, I'm going to download the Windows, which is 150 megabytes. Simply click download and it should start downloading. Now this is an official platform and it's safe to download games from, and it's straight from the developer, so it's pretty pretty safe platform and there is no issues with the game. You're not breaking any rules. That's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.